If you're looking for a simple storage bag to keep your sunglasses, wallet, and other personals safe, you've definitely found it. The Rugged Ridge Roll Bar Sunglasses Holder and Pouch is a great way to keep all those smaller items safely tucked away without losing them or letting them get banged around in the Jeep's larger storage compartments. This little holder and pouch can easily hold your phone, GPS, or even cash, and the roll bar mount makes it very accessible yet keeps it out of the way at the same time. There's really nothing to this install and it'll take you less than 5 minutes, so I have to give this one the softest 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter. This little bag is simple, but it's pretty tough too, sporting a thick vinyl exterior that's also water resistant. Inside you'll find a soft woven polyester that's gentle on things like sunglass lenses and phone screens. This has 2 compartments, a pocket that's secured by a simple flap and Velcro on the outside, and a second pocket on the inside that secures with a zipper. The pockets are also pretty big, so it'll fit larger sunglasses and bigger phones. The storage bag attaches to the roll bar with heavy-duty Velcro with a hook and loop fastener, just like some of the roll bar handles that we offer on the site. I personally like how this can be mounted because you can place it wherever you would like on the roll bar. You can place it up front or in the back and adjust it as needed. You get easy access with it being right overhead, and it's also perfect for passenger storage. Like I said before, this is a very inexpensive storage kit coming in at around $20. This is great for small items, and if that's what you're looking for, this is gonna be a steal. There are no other sunglass holders that we offer currently on the site, but we do offer storage kits similar to this in a couple of different choices for the 07 to the 10 JKs. Those include a couple of other roll bar mounts for right around $100. If you don't fit in that year and model range, all of the roll bar mounting options are sold separately for around the same price as the sunglass holder. Overall, if you need extra storage space in your cab area, this is going to be a very budget-friendly solution. And as always, Rugged Ridge backs their products by a 5-year limited warranty. Like I mentioned, this install is going to be a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it's going to take you about 5 minutes to get everything hooked up. First things first, you have to find the right place for you on the roll bar that you want to mount this. Once you have everything lined up, you can weave the strap through the loop, pull it back, and Velcro it down. So if you're looking for a very inexpensive small storage solution for your Wrangler, this roll bar sunglass holder is a great option for you. This is Meredith with XT, and for this and everything else Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.